Okay, the defining moment. Let's see how she runs. Oh man, I had hell. I put a I need to check that. Crawl under there and tighten it. But I put a safety neutral switch on. I put another new one on. That was because I thought that was what was wrong with it. Damn thing wouldn't crank. So I put a safety neutral switch on it and I put a starter on it. The starter I put on there because in the process of taking it off and cleaning the armature and cleaning the brushes and everything, I broke that one little wire, the bolt, nut, screw, whatever it is, goes in the solenoid. So I bought another starter. But that one, I took the solenoid off of it and put on my old starter, and man, that thing is like zing! So I got a brand new starter sitting there, and I got another solenoid coming, or solenoid, however you want to call it. Let's check it out. Oh, thank God. Crank right up. No issues, and I'm purring right at 1,000. It was dropped down to 500 and fluctuate between 5 and 200. I mean, it just barely would run. And like a dumbass, I didn't think about it. I thought I had more electrical problems. So I risked it and I went 20 miles, 10 miles to storage, 10 miles back to be able to get my trade and everything. And I made my deal. So let's go take this thing for a spin. I'm having an issue now. My air conditioning, that is a brand new fan blower. This sucker works, no problem. I mean, it'll blow you right out of here. You can hear it. I'm deaf, but man, that feels good. I turn the air conditioning on, I start getting heat. All right, so I changed out the little mixing damper valve thing down here. It's those wires that go up and then right in there. It's a little thing about like that. It's supposed to open and close the door. But that's my next issue because it's hotter than hell and I ain't lying. Shit, let's check to see if I got AC right now. I thought it was this there for a while. It still might be this because I changed this one time before and that cured it. But I got AC is working great now. You can't tell me that mass airflow sensor is what was causing my air conditioning problem. Let's go take it down for a ride. I'll get back with y'all. This is a 4-minute video, probably way too long. Yeah, my truck's full of shit. I need to clean it out, but today is laundry day. I need to go bad because I'm smelling like a rotten onion and a hot can out in the middle of 120 something degrees. So it's baking on the inside of that damn can, and I'm stinking. But enjoy, y'all. Peace. I hope I fixed my damn truck, my baby.